Ready na ba? Nagyan ako. So, tatalikod ako. Sasabihin ko, Pepsi. So, gagawin nyo, lalakad pa harap. Tatakbo, susulong, paharap. Pag sabi mo, set na, stop. Ganun lang kasimple. Titignan natin kung sino ang pinakamaraming group members here. Forward. And then when you see that, then you will give 20,000 points to the team with most number of points. Ready? Okay. I'll turn it back around. Pepsi! This group, I think, is the most forward 20,000 points in this group. Ladies and gentlemen, this game is not just about who is the most forward people here. It's about who is running. Look at the people around you. Did everyone run?